what's up mga karuba? This is your Konyo Boy Apong Glenn, repping English Ilocano Aglalok. And today, we are with the Balikas Babies. Nung nakita yung idi previous weeks, adda nga min search ti Balikas. Di gijay ubing nga agbalin nga host ti events ti Provincial Government of Ilocos Norte. And now, ano kayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 20! Oh, kano? Adadat to eh. Actually, the event mi itata dito yung Robinsons. Madamdama pa ilaing ngem. Awan pa di gijay makilaban. Okay kay lang mat nga agur oray.
Yes. Okay.
Sanay da kano nga agur oray. Today, I will present to you my Balikas Babies. Anyat naga nyo. Di ba kang tinagam?
Shaq Neiron Zandler Guillermo, 17 years old from Ilocos Norte National High School, and hashtag proud Balikas Babies.
17 years old from Ilocos Norte National High School, grade 12 student, and I love dancing.
Hi, ako nga po pala si Moira Sheina. I am 18 years old and I am from Ilocos Norte National High School, also proud Balikas baby.
I love writing. I love public speaking. I love writing poems. So one of the main things I do on my free time is writing poetry and stories.
Hi, I'm Ira Shalini M. Ibanez. I am 19 years old. I'm from the Divine Word College of Lawag and I'm also a proud Balikas baby.
I'm an accountancy student of the Divine Word College of Lawag, and it feels good to be in the company of familiar faces na nakasusuyan and of course, from the different schools.
Hi, I'm Kyla Balava, 16 years old. I'm from Solsonen National High School and also I'm a proud Balikas baby.
One of my hobbies is taking a selfie.
Hi, I am Enzi Yvonne B. Cuyo, 15 years old. I'm from Solsonen National High School and I'm also a very proud Balikas baby.
I love music. I love acting, drama, especially
Okay, thank you babies. Babies kayo nga talaga. I am your granddaddy. Because I'm Apong Glenn. And you know guys, idi agsarsarak ti anya dito yung Provincial Government of Ilocos Norte ti Balikas host ti para host new events host. What drives you to join Balikas search before? Ni NC Gayam siya kaubingan. You're only 15 years old. What grade are you in now?
I'm
Grade 10. Tasagutin ni NZ kung bakit siya na-drive sa Balikas search.
Mahilig po kasi akong mag-public speaking. So, nung nalaman ko pong may Balikas, actually, hindi ko po talaga in-expect na makukuha po ako kasi may stage fright po ako. Tapos hindi ko rin po alam magsalita sa harap na maraming tao. Pero thankful po ako dahil I've been given the chance para maging isang Balikas baby. At during that 2 intensive trainings, na-practice ko po lahat, mas na-enhance ko po lahat yung skills ko.
Oh, very good. Very, very good. Kasi, hindi nga minsak, hindi ubi nga kaya, mabubuteng ako mo stage. Itatan, stage di mabubuteng kanya ko. This Marcos event ngayon, ito yung unang sabak ninyo sa pag-host sa PGIN. And ano naman yung napakagandang preparation na naibigay sa inyo?
So the preparation, we had about 5 to 6 speakers who are our mentors, who are very good, who are experts in the hosting field, and we are very thankful to be trained by them. It was very substantial, it was very informative. In between the trainings, we also had activities wherein we can cater how good are we in creating opening spiels given the very short time of preparation.
Actually po, it's not my first time to host a big event in Ilocos Norte. I've been given the chance po to host Mr. Lawag po the last time it was concluded, and also a voiceover for Misters of Filipinas. Pero I think po the difference between Balikas and my previous debuts po in hosting is that this time we were given a chance to be taught by very sought after hosts in Ilocos Norte po, and more than that po, people who are experts in their field. So parang ang saya lang po na nalaman namin na kaya pala namin gawin to, considering na halos lahat kami are first timers.
Si Aaron, anong nangyayari sa'yo? Lutang ka lang?
Nung preparation po. Actually, nung preparation po, as they said na meron kaming mga mentors. Actually po, sobrang nahasa po yung public speaking po namin kasi yung mga iba po, wala po kami talagang knowledge sa mga Ilocano po. Like, ano po yung difference ng knock at ak or mga ganun po. Tapos, dagiti, dagitay, naimbag, arabi, naimbag nga bigat. Ganun po. And with that 2 intensive trainings po, talagang na-sharpen yung skills po namin as a host. Actually, most of us po, we are kind of a bit experienced po siguro. Pero nung nag-train na po kami, doon po namin nalaman na marami pa po talaga kaming kailangang matutunan. Yun po.
Okay. Yan din. Kayla, may dadagdag ka kung anong gusto mo.
Share ko na lang yung kasi nasabi na
sige.
lahat eh. Okay, so ako, supposedly I'm not going to join the audition. Kasi hindi ako, na-orient, hindi ako prepared. Pero I know, naniniwala ako na it is God's plan for me to develop my skills. Ganon. Kaya, yun, masaya naman ako sa naging resulta ng pag-audition ko kasi I were given the opportunity to be a host of one of the hosts of Ilocos Norte.
With all your wit, ang gagaling nyo, ang gaganda nyo pa. Pati ikaw. Hindi, gwapo si Aaron, And then, alam nyo ba, before kasi, nung mas bata-bata sana ako, kung siguro nandyan ako sa age ninyo, sasali din ako. Kasi, rin ako parang gusto ko rin ito. Ano ba yan? Basta gusto ko lang. Ako noon, gusto kong maging host nung bata ako. Parang, ngayon, host na talaga ako. Hindi lang ako naging host, naging director ako, naging producer ako sa Sir Matani Ilocano, sa Paspas Doras. Kayo naman ang tatanungin ko, as your host, ano yung parang future, ninyo, yung long-term plan ninyo sa pagiging, kilala niyo ba sina Ma'am Stella, sina Sir Clyde? Sila yung mga pinalitan. Mga joke. Wala na sila, pero hindi. Nandyan lang sila, mentors ninyo. And alam ko na parang it will really have time na makukuha nyo yung ganun na level na hosting nila. Super lupit ng mga yon. Ayun, magpapatawa na lang sila dyan. So, ganun rin yung mga gusto kong ginagawa. Kasi kung wala talagang dead air yung party or... Ako nga, pag nagpa-party yung mga anak ko, mas okay na sana lang, ako na lang sana yung naging clown Anya tigayat yung mapasamak inton do sumarsaro nga. Okay, simulan na rin natin si yung pinakabata ninyo si NZ.
In the future, kung paano ko in God's plan, sana maging isa rin akong host na kagaya nila Sir Clyde na hindi lang dito sa province natin, kundi sa entire Philippines. Maging host rin po ako, kaya...
Oo, tutulungan ng province yan. Tutulungan ka namin. Actually, taga-probinsya rin ako, so wala akong choice, tutulungan kita. Sige, ikaw naman, Kayla. Ay, tsaka ang Solsona, they are very proud sa inyo. Alam niyo dalawa, oo. Alam niyo, sobrang proud ang Solsona sa inyo.
Dama ko namin yung I only have this goal in mind na magsalita in front na ganito, dapat ganitong gawin, ganun. Tapos ngayon naman, na-realize ko na gusto kong iparating sa lahat ng tao, hindi lang dito sa Ilocos Norte, kundi sa buong mundo na ang mga taga-Ilocano, ang mga taga-Ilocos ay ang mga Ilocano ay may angking galing sa lahat ng antas ng talento.
Sabi ni Kayla, Ilocanos are very talented. So, hindi lang natin kayang mag-hosting, kaya rin natin kumanta, sumayaw, all in all. For me, what I envision in the future, para sa akin kasi this hosting, it is a very good stage wherein we can improve how we interact, how we communicate to our audience, what are the things that we need to understand, what are the things that we need to take into consideration. And for me, it is a very good stage wherein I can better understand my audience, I can hone my skills in public speaking kasi it's my dream to be a lawyer. So this is a good ground, this is a very good grounds for me.
Dream ko po talaga yung mag-host ng mga pageants for Ilocos Norte in the long run kasi parang gusto ko pong matuto sa mga craft na kagaya ng mga Sir Clyde, Ma'am Majang, Sir Ayan, yung mga ganun po. So, and tsaka din po, I really enjoy public speaking. So, parang it is not only to benefit myself kasi through this, I gain self-confidence. I also experience and I gain a lot of friends along the way. But I think one of the main goals of hosting is not only for myself but for the audience to come home feeling happy and feeling contented with what they see and what they hear on stage.
Yung una pong pumasok sa isipan ko, okay, this is going to be a good background or a good foundation. Dahil po I am planning to take course po na communication sa college. So, yun po, as they said, we want to prove that Ilocanos are great in lots of aspects, especially in hosting po.
Okay? Palakpakan yung mga sarili ninyo, ang gagaling ninyo. Because out of how many yung mga dati 40, tapos kayo lang yung mga 20. Pero I know na matutupad yung mga pangarap ninyo kasi haluan nyo lang ng konting motivation tapos hard work. Yan, kayang-kaya nyo yan. And alam ko na in the long run, you will be, hindi ko lang siguro kayo makikita dito sa province, no? Baka malamang nandyan na lang kayo sa national, hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa nyo dyan. Oo. Pero, I know, sige, ako na magko-congrats sa inyo. Congratulations, babies. Congratulations. And that's it, guys. Sana napanood niyo sila. And this will serve as inspiration to sa mga mas babies pa sa kanila. Oo. Sana po may natutunan kayo sa mga naibigay nila ng mga messages and mga insights about Balikas. And then sooner or later siguro gagawa rin ako ng mga counterpart ninyo pero hindi sila mas matalino. Mas maloko lang. mga taga-Balisak. Magsisimula na pala yung event namin and they have to prepare for their blockings. Guys, ayan po, sina Aaron, si Moira, si Ira, si Kyla, and si Enzi. Yan, bye-bye.